Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the world of time management techniques for productivity and success. If you often find yourself overwhelmed by tasks, struggling to stay focused, or wondering how some people seem to accomplish so much, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of practical strategies to boost your productivity, make the most of your time, and ultimately achieve success. So let's get started. Our first technique, the Pomodoro Technique, is a highly effective time management method that has gained popularity over the years. It takes its name from the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that the creator, Francesco Cirillo, used when he first developed the technique in the late 1980s. The beauty of this technique lies in its simplicity and ability to enhance focus while preventing burnout. So, here's how it works. When you have a task at hand, set a timer for 25 minutes. This 25-minute period is known as a Pomodoro. During this time, you commit to working on that task without any distractions or interruptions. It's crucial to give your undivided attention to the task during this period. Once the 25 minutes are up, the timer goes off, signaling the end of one Pomodoro. Now, here's where the technique really shines. After completing one Pomodoro, you take a short break of around 5 minutes. This break allows you to rest and recharge before diving into the next one. After every 4 Pomodoros, instead of taking a 5-minute break, you reward yourself with a more extended break of 15 to 30 minutes. This extended break is essential for rejuvenation and can be used to grab a snack, take a walk, or do something enjoyable that helps you relax. The idea behind this technique is to break your work into manageable intervals, maintaining focus during the Pomodoros and allowing yourself regular breaks. By doing so, you tap into your peak productivity while avoiding burnout and mental fatigue. I remember when I first started using the Pomodoro technique. I was skeptical at first, wondering how working in short bursts could actually improve my productivity. But once I gave it a try, I was pleasantly surprised. The structured approach helped me stay focused and motivated. The short breaks in between allowed me to clear my mind and return to tasks feeling refreshed. Over time, I noticed a significant increase in my productivity and the quality of my work. Next up, let's explore another powerful technique called the Eisenhower Matrix, which can help you prioritize effectively and make the most of your time. The Eisenhower Matrix, developed by former U.S. President Dwight D. Eisenhower, provides a clear framework for categorizing tasks based on their urgency and importance. It helps you differentiate between tasks that demand immediate attention and those that can be delegated, scheduled, or eliminated. In this matrix, we have 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent and not important. By assessing your tasks and assigning them to these quadrants, you gain a better understanding of their priority levels. Let me share a personal story to illustrate the power of the Eisenhower Matrix. A few years ago, I found myself constantly overwhelmed by my workload, struggling to manage both personal and professional commitments. I felt like I was constantly firefighting and couldn't focus on important long-term projects. That's when I discovered the Eisenhower Matrix. By implementing this technique, I was able to identify tasks that were truly urgent and important, allowing me to address them promptly. Simultaneously, I realized that some tasks, although seemingly urgent, were not actually important. I either delegated them or eliminated them altogether. This newfound clarity helped me regain control over my time, reduce stress, and concentrate on tasks that truly contributed to my success. Now let's dive into another game-changing method, time blocking. It involves allocating dedicated time blocks for specific tasks or activities, allowing you to focus on one thing at a time and optimize your productivity. When you implement time blocking, you break your day into distinct time periods and assign specific tasks or categories to each block. For example, you may allocate 2 hours for focused work, 30 minutes for emails, an hour for meetings, and so on. By following this schedule diligently, you create a clear roadmap for your day and ensure that important tasks receive the attention they deserve. I recently came across the story of an entrepreneur who struggled with a chaotic schedule, constantly switching between tasks and feeling overwhelmed. They decided to try time blocking, even though it seemed daunting at first. By committing to time blocking and following their schedule religiously, they discovered a newfound sense of control and focus. They were able to immerse themselves fully in each task without distractions, and as a result, their productivity soared. It helped them regain valuable hours in their day, allowing them to pursue their passions and achieve their goals. Another powerful concept that can significantly impact your time management and overall productivity: the 80-20ths rule, also known as the Pareto principle. The 80-20 rule states that approximately 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts or activities. In other words, a small portion of your tasks or actions yield the majority of your desired outcomes. To harness the power of this rule, start by identifying the tasks or activities that fall within the vital 20%, the ones that contribute the most to your goals or desired outcomes. Once you have identified these vital few tasks, prioritize them and allocate a significant portion of your time and energy to them. Let me share an example to illustrate the impact of the 80-20ths rule. Imagine you're a freelance graphic designer, and you've noticed that 20% of your clients contribute to 80% of your income. By recognizing this, you can prioritize nurturing relationships with those high-value clients, dedicating more time and effort to their projects. This strategic focus allows you to maximize your earnings and create a more sustainable and successful business. By consciously applying it to your work and personal life, you can identify the key tasks, projects, or relationships that yield the most significant impact. By investing your time, energy, and resources wisely, you can optimize your productivity and achieve remarkable results. And there you have it, an arsenal of powerful time management techniques for productivity and success. We've explored the Pomodoro Technique, the Eisenhower Matrix, time blocking, and the 80-20 rule. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you'll experience a transformation in how you manage your time and achieve your goals. Remember, time is a limited resource, and how we choose to use it determines our level of success and fulfillment. By implementing these strategies, you're taking a proactive step towards maximizing your productivity, overcoming obstacles, and creating the life you desire. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who could benefit from these techniques. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on personal growth, success, and time management. Thank you for joining me on this journey to unlock your full potential and make the most of your time. Together, we can build a future filled with productivity, success, and fulfillment. Until next time, keep mastering your time, embracing growth, and reaching for the stars.